Hey pet lovers! If shedding is driving you crazy, you're going to love today's video. We're counting down the top 5 best pet shedding vacuums for grooming to help keep your home fur-free and your pets happy. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great tips and product reviews after watching the video. Be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Oneisall Pet Shedding Vacuum for Grooming. The oneisall Pet Shedding Vacuum for Grooming is a tool designed to make your life a whole lot easier. This device combines a grooming brush with a built-in vacuum system, letting you remove loose fur while keeping your floors clean. Instead of hair flying everywhere, it's collected directly into the vacuum canister, simple, neat, and time-saving. In terms of usability, the design is lightweight and comfortable to hold for longer grooming sessions. The attachments are easy to swap, and the compact body makes storage painless, even in smaller homes. The suction strength is solid for everyday grooming, and the noise level is gentle enough that most pets adapt quickly. It works especially well on dogs and cats that shed heavily, giving your pet a smooth, clean finish. Pros include it greatly reduces mess, keeps shedding under control, and is beginner-friendly. The multiple grooming heads add nice versatility, and the vacuum bin is easy to empty and clean. A small inconvenience is if your pet is extremely sensitive to sound, it may take a little training time. And while it's powerful for grooming, it's not meant to replace a full household vacuum. From my analysis, this is a genuinely helpful grooming gadget for busy pet owners who want cleaner floors and a fresher-looking pet with less effort. Using it is simple: pick an attachment, turn on the vacuum, and brush through your pet's coat. The tool does the rest. It's ideal for pet parents who deal with constant shedding, families with allergies, or anyone who wants a quick, tidy grooming routine at home. If you want cleaner grooming sessions and a happier pet, this one is worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 2. Neakasa Pet Shedding Vacuum for Grooming. The Neakasa Pet Shedding Vacuum is one of those grooming tools that immediately makes life easier. This device combines a gentle grooming brush with a built-in suction system, so instead of collecting piles of fur, it pulls everything straight into the container while you groom. The design is clean, compact, and easy to handle. The hose is flexible, the attachments click in smoothly, and the overall build feels solid for regular use. Whether you've got a long-haired dog that sheds constantly or a cat that leaves fur on every surface, the system is built to manage heavy shedding without creating a mess. Using it is simple: choose the grooming head you want, turn on the vacuum, and brush your pet like normal. The suction gently captures loose hair immediately, so you're grooming and cleaning at the same time. For households that struggle with hair buildup, this cuts cleaning time dramatically. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, you get effective shedding control, quieter operation compared to regular vacuums, and multiple tools for different coat types. It keeps your home cleaner and helps reduce allergens. The downside? Some pets may need a little time to get used to the sound, and you'll need to empty the canister after each grooming session if you have a heavy shedder. My analysis: it's a practical, user-friendly grooming solution that delivers real results, especially for pet owners who want less mess and more convenience. It won't replace professional grooming for complex trims, but for everyday shedding control, it's extremely efficient. The Neakasa Pet Shedding Vacuum is ideal for dog and cat owners, multi-pet households, or anyone who wants a cleaner home without constantly sweeping fur. If you want a simple upgrade to your pet care routine, this is a strong choice. See the description for more details. Number 3. AIRROBO Pet Shedding Vacuum for Grooming. The AIRROBO Pet Shedding Vacuum for Grooming might be exactly what you need. This all-in-one grooming tool is designed to remove loose fur directly from your pet while capturing it inside a built-in vacuum system, so no more hair floating around your house or sticking to your clothes. The unit features multiple grooming attachments, including a de-shedding brush, a grooming comb, and a trimming tool, giving you plenty of versatility depending on your pet's coat type. The suction power is strong enough to pull in shedding hair, yet still gentle and quiet enough to keep most pets comfortable. Plus, the ergonomic design makes it easy to handle even during long grooming sessions. Pros include it keeps your home cleaner, reduces shedding, and offers a calmer grooming experience compared to traditional brushing. It's especially helpful for busy pet owners or anyone with allergy sensitivities. The attachments are easy to clean, and the dustbin is simple to empty. A small inconvenience is that some pets may need a little time to get used to the sound, and like any grooming tool, it works best when used regularly rather than occasionally. Also, it may feel a bit bulky if you're used to small manual brushes. My analysis, AIRROBO did a solid job balancing suction power, comfort, and usability. For long-haired dogs, double-coated breeds, and heavy shedders, this tool can make a noticeable difference. It's also beginner-friendly, just brush your pet like normal, and the vacuum captures the loose hair instantly. Who is it for? Perfect for pet owners who want a cleaner home, allergy-prone families, and anyone who prefers DIY grooming instead of frequent salon visits. If you want an easier, cleaner way to manage pet shedding, this grooming vacuum is definitely worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 4. buenkee Pet Shedding Vacuum for Grooming. The buenkee Pet Shedding Vacuum Groomer might be exactly what you've been looking for. This is a dedicated grooming tool designed to remove loose fur and collect it instantly, keeping both your pet and your home clean. The design is lightweight, easy to hold, and comes with multiple grooming attachments, so whether you're brushing a long-haired dog or a short-haired cat, you get a comfortable, controlled grooming experience. One big plus is that the vacuum suction pulls hair straight into the container, which means no flying fur and no mess to sweep afterward. It's also surprisingly quiet, making it less stressful for noise-sensitive pets. Now, for the pros, you get efficient grooming, reduced shedding around your home, and easy-to-clean attachments. It's great for beginners and even better for regular grooming routines. A possible downside is that some pets may need a little time to adjust to the sound, but with slow introduction, most pets respond really well. Using it is straightforward: attach the brush you want, turn on the vacuum, and gently groom your pet as usual. The collected hair stays inside the canister, ready to be dumped out when you're done. Personally, I think the buenkee grooming vacuum is a solid choice for pet owners who want a cleaner home, less shedding, and a convenient grooming routine. It's ideal for dog and cat owners who want an easy, mess-free way to care for their pets. See the description for more details. Number 5. FIXR Pet Shedding Vacuum for Grooming. The FIXR Pet Shedding Vacuum for Grooming might be exactly what you need. This smart little grooming tool combines a brush and a vacuum in one unit, letting you collect loose fur right as you brush, so no more hair floating around your furniture or sticking to your clothes. The design is compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, even for longer grooming sessions. It comes with multiple attachments, so whether you have a long-haired dog, a short-haired cat, or anything in between, you'll find a tool that fits their coat. The suction is strong enough to collect hair efficiently, yet gentle so your pet stays calm and comfortable. Pros include its clean grooming with almost no mess, easy to use, and great for reducing shedding around the house. A small inconvenience is some pets may need a little time to get used to the motor sound, and you'll need to empty the hair canister regularly during big grooming sessions. Using it is simple: attach the grooming head, turn it on, gently brush your pet, and let the vacuum handle the loose hair instantly. It's ideal for pet owners who want a cleaner home, less shedding, and a stress-free grooming routine. If you want a smoother, cleaner, and faster way to groom your pets, the FIXR shedding vacuum is a solid choice. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.